Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need a focused niche and at least one promotable offer. This speeds results. Start by choosing a niche with clear buyer intent, then join 2-3 affiliate programs and grab tracking links so you can measure clicks. Next, make your first 1-3 long-form assets, 1 review, 1 how-to, and 1 comparison. Publish them right away. Once done, add tracking parameters and a simple CTA. This process gets you live, measurable content fast, rather than waiting for perfection. Now grow traffic using a blended approach so you don't rely on followers. Start with SEO, target long-tail keywords, optimize titles and meta, and link between your pieces to boost authority. While waiting for organic clicks, publish short-form social clips that point to those posts. This creates immediate traffic. If you can, run small ads at $5, $15 per day to test offers and measure CPA. Make sure to track clicks, landing conversion, and adjust headlines and CTAs based on early data. Finish by scaling what works. Identify your top converting pages and amplify them. Create spin-off posts, videos, and paid promos. Build a simple email funnel with a lead magnet and 3 nurture emails to increase repeat conversions. Continuously monitor CTR, conversion rate, and average order value so you can reinvest smartly. If results stall, check tracking links, add creatives, and page load speed first. Often a broken link or slow page kills conversions. Fix that, then retest with small budgets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.